Yep, there it was. Trying to film a nail tutorial and it all went south. What does that even mean? It all went north. What does that even mean? It all went down in the trash. That's what that means. You read the title of this video right. I did not do my nails right and I kind of destroyed them.
Alright, the things that I'm going to be explaining in this video, please do not do them because they are not good. So first of all, I was going to remove my polygel and I grabbed my nail clipper and I was going to clip the excess polygel off. But here's the problem, I didn't look underneath and I cut some of my longer nail underneath, so it kind of chipped the edges of my natural nail. So when you have longer extensions, do not ever cut into your natural nail. Always look underneath to see where it is because that will put unnecessary pressure on the polygel that's on top of your natural nail. So that can damage your nail. Now moving on to the next cringy thing I did. So I went ahead and grabbed my wonderful Melody Susan cordless drill, which is really powerful and I found out in this video. I grabbed the wrong sandy band. Yep, I grabbed one that was too coarse. At the time of when I did this, I didn't think it was that coarse, like that rough. So I just started doing it on my nail, and I don't think I was holding the e-file like properly. Okay, I've only used an e-file a couple of times, so I'm still a newbie and this stuff happens. It's all right. So that pretty much kind of made some dents in my nail and I just felt like it was too rough. So I went ahead and grabbed my ceramic nail bit, which was really good. It really took off the polygel, but my problem is you don't go back and forth with an e-file. And I know this, but sometimes I just get it stuck in my head like you go back and forth and you don't do that. You're just gonna end up by cutting yourself, which I cut my index finger near the cuticle, so ouch. That hurt. Also, I am applying too much pressure. When you're using bits like ceramic and these like tougher bits to get artificial nails off, you want to have a very, very light hand. Let the drill do what it needs to do. Well, I wasn't doing that because I don't know, I just forgot. I'm not really fluent with it. So I was doing it with too much of a heavy hand, so it was making too many dips in my nails, and I didn't know at the time that it was going so deep because I guess I just have it in my mind that polygel is like thicker or something, but polygel is a very soft nail enhancement. It's not like acrylics or dip powder, which is really hard. Polygel is really soft, and I should have realized that these sharper bits are gonna eat through polygel really fast, and if you're not holding the the e-file right, you could really damage your nails. So the damage is already done at this point, but I thought, I have some polygel around on my nails, not in the center where those dips are. So I grabbed my old faithful diamond bit, which of course is very soft, but I mean, it's not going to save these nails. So then I just used my diamond bit to try to get the rest of the polygel off that were around the sides. So here are my nails, and they still have some polygel on them, and they just look terrible. I know right now they just kind of look dusty and dirty, but they look terrible. So I'm just going to go ahead and soak the rest of the polygel off with, of course, if you're going to soak it off, you need 100% acetone, which is kind of harsh on the natural nails, but I've already kind of destroyed them. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some cotton balls and my nail soakies, and I'm just gonna put 100% acetone on the nail soakies, and I'm gonna soak my nails for about 20 minutes. Now, I forgot that I had that cut that I cut myself on my index finger, so I went to go put the soaked cotton ball full of acetone on there. Boy, did that burn, and it hurt so bad. So after about 20 minutes, I took the nail soakies off, and then I grabbed my metal cuticle pusher. Yeah, why on earth did I grab a metal cuticle pusher, which is harsher on the nails than a wooden stick? Do you have anything to say for yourself? Yeah, I didn't think so that you would have an explanation, Vanna. What were you thinking? So everybody watching, please use a wooden cuticle stick. They're a lot softer. You can use metal ones, but I've already showcased in this video that I have too much of a rough hand with this drill, so I shouldn't even be using a metal one. So please use a wooden one. Finally, I have gotten all the polygel off my nails, and they look terrible. I pretty much did a number. I mean, they even hurt because I went too far on with the drill, so they're kind of pinkish. And then, of course, I cut into the bottom of my free edge with that nail clipper. Oh my goodness.
What do we do now? Well, we do nail care. And we grow them back.
Now it is time to get reappointed. I'm going to, of course, tend to my nails right now and then start to regrow them out. Do nail care and do some extra steps to bring them back to what they were. So first, I'm going to file off those sharp edges that I cut, and then I gotta attend to the cut that is on my index finger because I cut myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with some peroxide, and then I'm gonna take some antibiotic, I can't exactly say that, ointment, just to help heal it up. And then I'm not gonna do anything else with that because that cut needs to heal, and I just don't want to be messy messing around with it with anything else. And so I'll start on the other nails and do some nail care. So one of my favorite nail care items to use on my nails is garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab garlic on my nail bed. Now I'm making sure that I rub it on my nail bed, not my skin or anything, because you might, get garlic burn. And of course I'm not doing it on my index finger because of that cut. But I love using garlic because it's just so natural and it just helps your nails grow and to be healthy and strong. And then just to get rid of that garlic smell, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a lemon and rub that on my nails. It just kind of dissipates the smell of garlic. And then I'll just wipe my nails off, or I'll let them air dry. And then I'm gonna grab just some base coat, just some plain base coat. I'm not gonna use a strengthener. I'm not gonna use a hardener or anything like that, because sometimes if you overuse those, it can make your nails more brittle and more prone to breaking. So we don't want that. So I'm just gonna add just a normal base coat just to add some protection. And of course, probably later I will paint my nails because that's gonna add the biggest protection and more beef to them. And then I just moisturize my skin and my cuticles with just some plain extra virgin olive oil, and my nails feel and look terrible. I mean, they feel really weird and kind of hurt. The white spots that are on my nails they're bruise spots. So if you get like a bruise on your skin, it's like blue, while on your nails it's white. So they're thin and bruised.
Update on my nails. It's been almost 2 weeks since I did that to my nails. They're a little bit better. They grew out a little bit, and I just kind of trimmed around the edges because I didn't want them sharp square like that. I wanted them more rounded because if it's more rounded and more safe. Hi, Queen Jack. How you doing? Yeah? Well, while you sit there, Queen Jack, and relax, I'll tell them about my destroyed nails. Anyway, so what I've been doing is just keeping them painted and keeping them covered because base coat, 2 coats of color, and 2 coats of top coat give a lot of thickness to my nails. So I want to keep them covered because it keeps them stronger. Right now I have them bare, but I gotta go cover them because I gotta be safe. I've also been putting on, which has been very good, this homemade switch over to voiceover Vanna so she can show you.
Okay, let me tell you what I've been up to in these past 2 weeks. So I've been keeping my nails painted, but I also have been moisturizing them with these lovely beeswax and olive oil homemade chapstick. Of course, they can be also used for your cuticles as like a moisturizer, and I really do love them. They're all organic. Now, I will link down in the description box down below the recipe and how to do this and make this, but basically if you just want to put it in a different container, you can, but it's just a moisturizer. It's just a nice beeswax moisturizer, and it works great for my nails. As you can see, I trimmed them because they're still very brittle, but they're growing back, and I'm gonna keep you updated.
Got some organic refined virgin coconut oil because I heard that it's great for nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this on my nails, and we're gonna see how it goes. But you're not gonna see how that goes until the next updated video of whatever my nails look like in the future. I don't even know what they look like. But I'll keep you posted, and I'll upload videos about what my nails look like and what I did and full routine and stuff like that. But this video ends here, kind of ends on a cliffhanger.